Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today.
How are you, David?
I'm good, thank you. I feel awake, alive, and ready to talk.
That's a good start. Did you have your coffee?
Of course, 2 cups. How about you?
Just 1 cup. I had a good morning and I'm very happy today.
That's wonderful. A good morning makes a good day.
Exactly. And that's our topic for today, our daily routines.
Daily routines. We all have them. Morning, afternoon, evening.
Yes, and talking about our day is perfect English practice.
Before we start, let's ask our listeners for a tiny favor.
Yes. If you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button and subscribe.
And share it with a friend who's learning English. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's start at the beginning, the morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You don't like mornings?
Not really. I'm not a morning person.
I am. I love the morning. The quiet, the sunlight.
For me, the morning is difficult. The alarm clock is my enemy.
Beep, beep, beep.
Exactly, that terrible sound. I hit the snooze button, 5 more minutes, and then 5 more.
So when do you really get up?
When I absolutely have to, when I'm late.
My morning is different. I wake up before the sun.
Wow, why so early?
I love the quiet time. I make coffee, sit by the window, and just think.
That sounds peaceful. Maybe I should try it.
Yes, coffee first, phone later.
But I check my phone right away. News, messages, everything.
Oh no, I wait at least 15 minutes.
Okay, so after coffee comes breakfast.
Yes. What do you eat?
Toast or maybe a banana, quick and easy.
That's fast. I eat yogurt with fruit or sometimes eggs.
Wow, Emily, that sounds healthy.
It gives me energy for the day. I get up at 7 o'clock.
I get up at 7 o'clock.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I eat toast for breakfast.
I eat toast for breakfast.
Great job, listeners. Keep repeating these phrases with us. Okay, so after breakfast, it's time to get ready for the day.
Yes. First, I take a hot shower. That helps me wake up.
Same here. A nice hot shower feels amazing in the morning.
And then comes the difficult part, choosing clothes.
Oh, yes. I always look at my closet and think, I have nothing to wear.
Exactly. I have many shirts, but I wear the same few again and again.
Do you have a system?
Yes. I only buy blue shirts. Blue shirts, white shirts, and gray shirts.
That's smart.
It's easy. I don't have to think in the morning.
Thinking is for later. I like to choose a dress, sometimes colorful. It makes me feel ready for the day.
So you're a morning artist and I'm a morning robot.
Perfect team. Okay, time to leave the house. How do you go to work, David?
I take the bus. It's not too far.
Is it comfortable?
Not really. It's very crowded.
Ah, yes, the morning bus. Many people, sleepy faces.
Exactly. But I listen to music or podcasts, so it's not too bad.
Podcasts like Mr. English.
Of course. Best one there is.
Good answer. I drive my car to work.
Nice.
Well, sometimes not nice. The traffic is terrible. So many cars moving so slowly.
Stop. Go. Stop. Go.
Exactly. But I turn up the music and sing.
You sing in the car?
Yes, loudly. It makes the traffic less boring.
I'd like to see that one day.
I take a shower in the morning.
I take a shower in the morning.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
I listen to music on my way to work.
I listen to music on my way to work.
Very good, listeners. Say it out loud. It helps your pronunciation and memory. Okay, now we are at work. What's the first thing you do, David?
Coffee. Always coffee.
I knew it.
I go to my desk, turn on my computer, and check my emails. So many emails.
Yes, I know that feeling. I read, reply, send, reply again. Endless.
And then I have meetings.
Meetings, meetings, meetings.
Yes. Talking, planning, listening. But I like when we finish a big project. It feels good.
That's true. My job is also busy. I talk to people, help people, and write reports.
Do you like your job?
I do. It's not always easy, but I enjoy it.
That's great.
Let's talk about lunch. My favorite time of the day.
Mine too. Do you bring your lunch or buy it?
I usually bring it from home. A salad or sandwich.
That's very healthy and smart.
And cheap. Buying lunch every day costs a lot.
That's true. But I'm not organized like you. I buy my lunch from a small cafe near the office.
Is it good?
Very good. They make fresh sandwiches. I also like to walk there. 10 minutes, outside, fresh air, stretch my legs.
That's a nice little break. I think walking at lunch is very good for health.
Yes. And after lunch, oh no.
Sleepy time?
Exactly. Around 3 p.m., my eyes say goodbye, world.
Oh, I know that feeling. Do you drink more coffee?
Sometimes. Or tea. Green tea. What about you?
I usually eat a small snack, maybe an apple or a cookie.
Cookies are always a good idea.
Yes, sugar power. Let's review some useful daily routine phrases. Wake up, get up, take a shower, have breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, go home.
Now repeat after us.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I go to work at 8:30.
I go to work at 8:30.
I have lunch at noon.
I have lunch at noon.
Excellent, everyone. Okay, David, the clock says 5 p.m. The workday is finished.
Yes, the best part of the day, going home.
How do you feel after work?
Tired but happy. I like that feeling when I leave the office, step outside, and take a deep breath. Freedom.
I know that feeling. I drive home and play music in the car.
Traffic again?
Yes, lots of cars. But I'm patient. I know home is waiting for me.
That's a good attitude. I take the bus home. It's quiet in the evening. Everyone is tired and calm.
Do you read or listen to something?
Sometimes I just look out the window and think about the day.
That's nice. A little moment of peace.
Okay, now we open the door. We are home. What's the first thing you do?
I put down my bag, take off my shoes, and say hello to my cat.
You have a cat. What's her name?
Her name is Bella.
Aw, cute. Is she happy to see you?
She's a cat. She looks at me like, "Oh, you're back. Feed me."
Cats are so funny. I have a dog. His name is Max, and he is the opposite.
How does he greet you?
He jumps, runs in circles, and barks like crazy.
That sounds very cute and loud.
Yes, but I love it. It makes me smile every day.
I go home after work.
I go home after work.
I say hello to my pet.
I say hello to my pet.
I take off my shoes and relax.
I take off my shoes and relax.
Well done, listeners. So, after we relax a bit, it's dinner time.
Yes, finally. I'm always hungry in the evening.
Do you cook?
Well, I try to cook, but I'm not very good.
What do you cook?
Simple things. Pasta, eggs, maybe soup. I once tried to cook rice. I burned it.
Oh no! How do you burn rice?
I forgot it was on the stove. The water disappeared. Smoke everywhere.
Oh, David, that's funny. I like cooking. It's relaxing for me.
Really?
Yes, I cut vegetables, play soft music, and make something simple. Maybe soup, maybe stir-fried noodles.
That sounds nice. Cooking as therapy.
Exactly, and the food is warm and fresh.
Sometimes I order pizza. That's my favorite.
Pizza is a great dinner. What kind?
Pepperoni. Classic.
Yum!
So, dinner finished. What do you do next?
I clean the kitchen first, wash the dishes, wipe the table.
Good job.
Then I relax. I sit on the sofa with a cup of tea.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, and my dog Max sleeps beside me. Sometimes I watch TV, sometimes I read a book.
What kind of shows do you like?
Funny ones. Comedies make me laugh after a long day.
Same. I watch comedies too, or travel shows. I like to see the world.
Me too. Let's practice more daily routine sentences, everyone.
Repeat after us.
I cook dinner in the evening.
I cook dinner in the evening.
I clean the kitchen after dinner.
I clean the kitchen after dinner.
I watch TV and relax.
I watch TV and relax.
Good job, everyone.
Okay, Emily. The day is almost over. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed early, around 10 p.m.
Wow, early.
Yes, I like to sleep early and wake up early.
I go to bed late, maybe 11:30 or midnight.
Oh no, that's why you don't like mornings.
Exactly. It's a big circle.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth, change into comfortable clothes, and check my phone one last time.
You and your phone. I read a few pages of a book, then lights off.
That sounds nice.
Sleep is very important, you know?
Yes, I should sleep more.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Think about your day.
What time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
How do you go to work or school?
And what do you do before bed?
You can write your answers in the comments below. We'd love to read them.
Yes, tell us. Are you a morning person like me or a night person like David?
I know what most people will say.
Maybe. But every routine is different, and that's what makes life interesting.
Well, that's all the time we have today.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us on Mr. English Podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, please click like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with a friend who's learning English.
We love hearing from you, so don't forget to leave a comment.
Thank you again, everyone. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.